Origami world record paper airplane. This is the model. This is a very thin and nice model, and the good thing that it breaks the air very quickly, so it's also very nice in flying. I will test its flights after the video, I mean at the end of the video, so keep watching. To make this origami model, you need an A4 sheet, or you can use color rectangular origami pages, or here like I'm using A5 sheet. You can use any color. So to begin with, the first step is to take this line and line up with this line over here. Open it up, and the next thing is to line this line into the center and this line also into the center. Like this. This one also into the center, nice and easy. Make sure the paper is straight, squeeze, and your paper will look like this. The next step is to take this line and go in the center. And same from this side. And squeeze. After you have completed this step, the next step is to fold it like this, and your model will look like this. So after the step is take this line and line it till here, and make sure to make the tip properly, because it often gets messy when you're dealing with A5s. So it's necessary. It's always good to use A4 sheets. And also from this side. And open it. So you're halfway done. I know that you are all thinking that this is also a very good plane and no more folding. So, but to make it even more thinner and faster, let's give it one more fold from the side. So make sure that your paper will look like this. Okay, so when you close it like this, you need to take this line and take this line and align it till here, like this. Turn over the paper and follow the same steps on this side. One more fold. And your plane is good to go. This is world record version 3. If you forgot to watch my other version of world record planes, so you check down in the description and you will find the link over there. And thank you. This is my plane. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was nice. Thanks guys. Follow my content and follow me on, if you're watching on Instagram, follow. Thank you.